y'all, thank you for coming again to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and thank you if you have subscribed already. Thank you for returning. I know I haven't been around for a while, but I'm back with a new tutorial, and this time I'll be doing Marley box braid twists. I attached it with doing the method of braiding because I don't like rubber bands. So continue watching, and I hope you like the video, and I'll see you again soon. Hi guys, so I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. I didn't put anything in it as yet, so it's a little damp right now. And now I'm using Marley Afro twist braid. Freeze the video so you guys can see exactly what I'm using. Okay, so I won't get any questions of what type of hair I'm using and how much packs I'm using. I'm using 4 packs. Okay, I couldn't hold all 4 in my hands, so I just decided to hold 3. Okay, but 4 packs. Okay, the type of hair that I'm using is very kinky. It's just like, you know, sort of like my hair. It's 100% color, and you know, it's a little soft as well, so I really liked it. And also what I decided to do was at the ends of the hair, I combed it out so that I could grip it better by twisting all the way down so it doesn't unravel. So I, you know, for my liking, I combed it out. It was better for me. You don't have to, but I think it's better just for gripping. So in the beginning, I said I don't like rubber bands. I really don't like that method. So I decided to braid and then twist. Okay, it's much easier for me and it's safer for my hair. Okay, so I had to do a chop because I bleached my hair and it damaged it so bad. I had to do a chop and just kind of start over, you know, not completely over, but basically half my hair is gone, so I have to start all over. But it's okay, you know, my hair tends to grow fast once I help it. So just keep watching and you will see how I do this attaching method.